Alright, I wasn't even planning on actually filming today, but I did want to stop in at Dollar Tree because I felt like I hadn't been here in a couple of days. But I just went in there and I found, actually, like, I don't know why, but my wrists get really sensitive and they always break out in a rash, especially when, like, I touch pets, like, in this area, but, like, I don't know. Anyways, whatever. So I go in here and I find a brand new product that it didn't even scan. Like, they didn't even have, like, the CPU or whatever, like, ready for it, but it was on the shelf. Let me show you what I got, and I'm gonna show you those first. I'm not gonna, like, wait. They're kind of, like, all over in these bags, and I'm gonna try not to do any editing, so this is the no editing car haul this morning. Look at this, you guys. These are Maybelline. Now, I've seen this brand at Dollar Tree before, the green edition from Maybelline. They've sold, like, the lipsticks and stuff like that, and maybe they've sold these before, but not at my stores. Like, these are brand new, and I bought so many because I think they're a dupe. I think. Okay, listen, I'm not a beauty guru. I think they're a dupe to the Drunk Elephant bronzer drops. Yeah, you heard me right. You heard me right. Okay. Let's see. I know I got more. Yeah, here's another one. Is that all that I got? Was 5. And they had a very good range. And they had such a good range in color. At least I thought so. There was just a wide variety from light to dark and all in between. So, I mean, and if you follow my TikTok, you'll see the other colors. Obviously, I wanted to get what I thought would be more complementary to my skin tone, and I have no idea. I don't know what I got, if I'm being honest, or what's going on here. It's kind of hard to, like, read in the packaging, but this is probably the lightest color that I saw. This 10, it's like numbered, so this is 10, okay? And it says this is the Maybelline Green Edition Tinted Oil Super Drop. So a tinted oil. Maybe that's not like a dupe to the Drunk Elephant bronzer drops, because it doesn't say bronzing drops, but it's tinted. So is it? I don't know. Comment. Let me know what you guys think. Then I got the color 10. I got the color 25, 30, 40, and 50. I don't know. I have no clue, you guys. I don't know how this is, like, gonna go on the skin. I think they had a 20 as well, and that probably would have been my color. I'm probably thinking 20 and 25 might be where I live. But let's just, like, open one. Let me just open one. Look at her. I don't actually know. I feel like I need to shake it up a little bit more. Excuse me, just doing Dollar Tree stuff over here. Yeah, you definitely need to, like, shake it. Tinted oil. Maybe not like the bronzing drops. This is kind of more giving something with, it's a super drop. I don't understand. It is skin look and feel formula with jojoba oil, marula oil. Okay, so I had to just stop filming for a second and look this up so that I could, like, know what I'm talking about, because to me it definitely, like, at first, because it's not, like, shaken, so it looked like the elephant Drunk Elephant bronzer drops, but that's not what this is. This is a tinted oil foundation. I just looked this up, and it's funny because at Walmart this is going for $8.99. Found it for $1.25, but on Walmart's website they didn't have these, like, in between shades. They had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way to 100. Okay, so, but at Dollar Tree I'm finding 25. I'm finding these in between shades that I'm not seeing at Walmart. So anyways, these, I don't know, So I found tinted oil foundation is what it is. I really want to try this because I feel like I don't like traditional foundation. You guys know I've been on my BB cream for years and years now, and I don't want to turn back, but I'm definitely going to at least try this and see how I feel. So anyways, there's that. I'll go ahead and show you guys what else I found. I got some more of these little ice cream banners, so I thought those were really cute. I found these metal galvanized signs, like so cute. I did it once again. I had no idea that they were reversible or on both sides, so I got 2 of them. I thought I was doing this. I didn't pay attention, so now I got 2, but that's fine. Like, look how cute that is with the little beads. Here's another one of those. And then I've actually been meaning to get this. I ruined my last one. I've hauled this before, and I went and took it out the other night, and I ruined the whole developer thing because I threw away the box. So I went to organize my bathroom like weeks ago, and when I did, I took the contents of this out of the box, if you watch my organization video, and then I realized, oh, I don't have the instructions because they're on the box. So I've got it now. I want to use it for my eyebrows, so I found brown again. Give that a try. I also saw black. I didn't see any other colors. Look at Juncture. Look at them with these little wristlets. So cute. Pretty decently made. They really are decently made. These would be great for gift giving care packages as well. So I got both the black and the pink. They also have a flower print. I didn't care for it, so I didn't get it. And then I stumbled upon LA Color's brand new display. I don't think I've seen anybody haul it. Maybe they have. I just haven't seen it. Hang on, I'm like sitting. Why do I have my seatbelt on? What am I doing? I want breakfast. I'm like so in the mood for coffee and eggs and avocado and some English muffins. You know how you eat English muffins? Put a little bit of butter and grape jelly. Sounds simple, but it's everything. You got to do it in that order: butter and then grape jelly. I've also tried it with strawberry jelly. It is great, and I actually prefer strawberry jelly, but something about the grape with, I don't know, it's what am I talking about? What am I doing? Okay, so let me see if I can find, yeah, here's another one that goes to that collection. And okay, so this is their feeling, what's this line called? I don't know. It's their tattoo collection, but look how pretty and, you know, summery that this collection looks. I think I might be missing 1 or 2 things from this collection just based off of the display box that I saw. So this really just kind of looks like, I don't know. So this is a tattoo stamp pen. So this one will tattoo butterflies. How adorable is that? This one will tattoo stars. Super cute. Is it the ink black? So this one is called star. That one was called butterfly. This one is called flower. So super cute. And this one is called heart. I feel like that one's really gonna sell out. And then they had these shadow sticks, and this is where I think I'm missing something. Not I think, I know. So this is glow. This is a shadow stick. It's for your eyes. But yeah, this was all that I found. I'm sure there's 1 or 2 more to that. And then I found these, which are their crystal lip glosses. And look how pretty they are. Am I missing something here too as well? Maybe there's 4 to each thing, because there's 4 to these tattoo pens. So are there 4 to this? Most likely. So this is in the color VIP. Again, it's a lip gloss. This is in the color Backstage, and it's like purpley, and this is High Note. So I was very excited. I was not expecting that, to find that at all. So I thought that was pretty amazing. All right, next up, I got this fly trap, this fruit fly trap. Never seen these before, but look how cute the trap itself is. The fruit, unfortunately, is going into its death, but the cup is cute, so there's that. Then I found this anti-itch cream, and they also put out a hemorrhoid cream and a diaper rash cream, which if you follow me again on TikTok, you'll see those two. I picked up the anti-itch cream, so this is gonna be, you know, for insect bites, minor burns, sunburns, minor skin irritations, like this. I could put this on here. So I got that. It is 1.25 ounces, so I could also travel with this. Then I picked up these self-adhesive hooks. I bought these like grocery bag holders from Temu, and I'm gonna like hook it to the inside of my pantry door, so I needed these. Then I picked up these gel pens. You've seen me haul these gel pens a handful of times in my hauling career, but what's funny is that these other gel pens, which you guys have also seen me haul, it's hard to describe them, but they are by Jot. They're going viral right now. I feel like we've been, you know, with Dollar Tree for a very long time, but we're seeing a really big flux of kind of the rest of America explore Dollar Tree, or not explore, but find Dollar Tree. And it's just kind of funny seeing all of these products that have been around for a while go viral. So just letting y'all know, those gel pens, which they are great, I can see why they are going viral. Those are like in a pack. They're the ones that look like a rainbow. And they're a little bit smaller at the top. Those are the ones that are going viral right now. But anyways, I picked up these. These are great too. So just cute little gel pens. Then I picked up these journaling ink. Black, pink, and blue. It has no bleed, quick dry, archival ink. Archival. That's what it says. So I got those. Then I picked up these cute little classroom labels. They come in like different pictures. So cute little school theme. I know school's like over basically, but I still got it. Then I found these, again, another little school item, these classroom decors. You guys know I love them as ephemera. And I just thought, you know what, let me grab them now because I don't know if they're gonna be available. I wanna do like a back to school junk journal theme come August. So there's that. Then I got these paper clips. It's been such a long time since I've hauled them, and they've been on my mind for a while. So I finally got them again. Okay, then I picked up the Extra Care Vapor Sticks. I found it in these two different options. So this is like a vapor inhaler. This is the vapor stick. Very cool. So I'm trying to organize and kind of create a medicine cabinet for myself. And so I picked that up because I thought that would be a good addition. Then I picked up these phone stands in the pineapple and peach. Just the other day, you saw me haul it in the watermelon. So I found those two. Then I found some new little hair clips. They're absolutely precious. Look how cute those are. Little flowers. Love those. And then you always know I look out for novelty pens. I found the disco ball. Brand new. I've never seen this there before. So you could actually have yourself quite an interesting collection if novelty pens are your thing through Dollar Tree. Then I got this and I'm like, did I haul this? I feel like I have. This is supposed to compare to Neutrogena. So that is really amazing. We've got this dupe by Be Pure, and this is the hydrating gel cream, and this is the hand gel cream and the hyaluronic acid. So just the great sizes as well for traveling. I am going to be traveling soon. Comment down below and let me know where you think I'm going, because you know I'm gonna hit up their Dollar Tree as well. So I'm very excited. But that's it. Like I said, I was not planning on really kind of doing this haul. I just wanted to kind of do a collective haul actually. I wanted to go to like several Dollar Trees and kind of stock up and do one big giant haul for you guys. But when I saw those Maybelline, I was like, no, I have to show them immediately so that you guys have time to like go and find this, because this will fly off the shelf. Okay? So Anyways, I obviously did not know what I was working with. I wouldn't have gotten all of those colors if I had known that it was foundation, if that makes sense. It wasn't shaken up, so it looked like, and all it said was tinted oil, and I immediately thought Drunk Elephant bronzer drops. But obviously that's not what that is. That's it for my car haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.